In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform sign with Airtable in just a few easy steps. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow by automatically syncing data between Jotform and Airtable, saving you time and minimizing errors. Let's dive right into it and guide you through the process. First, go ahead and visit jotform.com and sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, setting one up is simple, and you can follow the prompts on the Jotform website to get started. Once you're logged into Jotform, navigate to your account dashboard. You'll want to find the My Forms section, which is where all your forms are stored. If you have many forms, you can use the search feature to quickly locate the specific Jotform you wish to integrate with Airtable. Now that you have the Jotform selected, open it up, which will bring you to the form builder. Once here, look at the top navigation bar where you'll see an option labeled Settings. Click on this to access the settings for your form. This is where you can customize how your form behaves and interacts with other platforms. In the side menu under Settings, you'll notice an Integrations tab. Go ahead and click on this tab, and you'll be taken to a page where all available integrations are displayed. To find Airtable, type Airtable into the search bar, and when it pops up in the list, click on it to begin the integration process. Next, you will see an option to authenticate your Airtable account. Clicking on this will prompt you to log into Airtable if you're not already logged in. Make sure you grant the necessary permissions when prompted, as this allows Jotform to access your Airtable data and perform the integration smoothly. Once authenticated, you'll need to select the Airtable workspace where you want the data to be sent. Choose the appropriate workspace and grant access so that Jotform can sync the form data to your selected Airtable base. This step is crucial because it determines where your form submissions will appear in Airtable. Now you're ready to configure the integration. This step involves mapping the fields in your form with the corresponding fields in your Airtable base. Take your time here to ensure everything matches up correctly. When you're satisfied with the configuration, don't forget to click Save to apply the integration settings. And there you have it. By the end of this process, your Jotform is linked with Airtable, and data from submissions will be automatically sent to your Airtable base. This seamless connection enhances efficiency, letting you focus more on analyzing your data rather than managing it. Give it a try and experience the ease of automated workflow. Thank you for tuning in, and happy integrating.